If your clips suddenly show media offline in DaVinci Resolve 20, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to relink offline media quickly and safely so you can get back to editing without rebuilding your entire project. This is one of the most useful troubleshooting skills for any editor, especially when files have been moved, drives have changed, or folder names have been altered. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips and tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, go to the top left of the interface and click the Media Pool button. The Media Pool is where DaVinci Resolve keeps track of all your imported footage, and it's the best place to start when media goes missing. Once the Media Pool is open, look for the clips that are showing the red Media Offline warning. You can see these either in the bin or directly on the timeline. Select the clips that are affected so you only target the broken files you actually need to fix. After selecting them, right-click on the highlighted clips and choose Relink Selected Clips from the menu. This tells DaVinci Resolve that you want to reconnect those clips to their original source files. At this point, a file browser will open, and you need to manually navigate to the folder where your original video files are currently stored. This is important because the software is trying to match the project metadata with the physical files on your drive. If the files were moved, renamed, or placed on a different drive, choosing the correct folder will solve the pathing issue. Once you find the right folder, click Open or select Folder at the bottom of the browser window. DaVinci Resolve 20 will now begin scanning that directory for matching clips. It checks file names, file locations, and in many cases, timecode information to find the correct media. If it finds the right files, you'll get a confirmation dialog. Click Relink to complete the process and reconnect the footage to your project. In most cases, your offline clips should come back immediately after that. If the clips are still showing us offline, there may be a bigger storage issue, especially if you're using an external drive or a drive letter has changed on your computer. In that case, go to the top menu bar, click File, and then check the Disk Database or Project Manager options depending on how your project is stored. Sometimes the problem is not the clip itself, but the drive location or database path that Resolve is reading from. If you still need help, there's also a faster automated option. Go back to the top of the media pool and click the red Relink icon, the chain link symbol with the red dot. This opens a more powerful relink tool that can scan multiple volumes at once and search for all missing media across your system. This is especially helpful if you've moved a whole project folder or changed storage locations after importing your footage. Once the missing files are found, approve the relink and Resolve will update the project automatically. And that's it. You now know how to relink offline media in DaVinci Resolve 20 and bring your missing clips back online without starting over. This can save you a huge amount of time and frustration, especially on larger projects. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.